Ready to make your videos pop with some seriously cool zoom effects? First things first, fire up Capcut and import the video clip you want to jazz up. Once it's loaded onto the timeline, give it a tap to select it. Now for the super simple pinch to zoom, just like you're zooming in on a photo. Place 2 fingers on the video preview and spread them apart to zoom in, or pinch them together to zoom out. Easy peasy, right? Want more control? Let's dive into keyframes. Tap the keyframe icon. It looks like a diamond at the beginning of your clip where you want the zoom to start. Now adjust the size of your video in the preview window using the pinch to zoom gesture, setting your starting zoom level. Next, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to and add another keyframe at this new position. Again, use the pinch to zoom gesture to adjust the video size to your desired adding zoom level. Capcut automatically creates the zoom animation between these 2 keyframes. For super smooth zooms, tap the graph icon and explore the different easing options. Ease in and ease out can make your zooms look more natural and professional. And there you have it. You've mastered the art of zooming in and out in Capcut. Play around with different keyframe positions and easing options to create unique and eye-catching effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks. #CapCut editing, #zoom techniques.